Dear children, I am fine. How are you all? Last class we saw about parts of speech. Here just we will recall that and then we will proceed into our class. How many parts of speech are there? Can you say? Yes, very good. There are 8 parts of speech are there. Can you say what are they? Let me say. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. These are the 8 parts of speech in English. Before getting into the topic, let's recall about what is meant by a noun. Noun is a word which can be used in the name of a person, place, animal or an idea. And we saw about the kinds of noun. How many kinds of noun are there? Yes, you are right. So, we have seen 5 kinds of noun. They are proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. In this class, we are going to see about adjective and its kind. Let's see what is meant by an adjective. Adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun. Now, look at this picture. What is this? Yes, you are right. It is an apple. What is the color of the apple? Can you say it? Very good. It is red. So, we can say this is an red apple. Here, we are having 2 words, red and apple. We knew already that apple is a noun. Here, we are having one more word, red. This particular word, red, it describes or it modifies about the noun apple. So, apple is a noun here and red is the adjective. Now, look at this picture. What are they? Yes, very good. They are puppies. They are very cute, is it? Do you love puppies? I love puppies very much. How many puppies are there in this picture? Yes, 2 puppies are there. So, there are 2 puppies. Here, puppies is a noun, is a naming word. And one more thing, we are having 2. So, these 2 modifies a noun, puppies. So, 2 is the adjective here. So, we can say that puppies is a noun and 2 is an adjective. Let us see some more examples in real. I am going to show you something. Are you ready to watch? Get ready. See here, what is this? Yes, this is a ball and this is a sponge ball. You can see here I am pressing it. So, ball is a noun and the quality is about sponge. So, this is an sponge ball, ball is a noun and sponge is an adjective. Now, look here, what is this? Yes, this is a small plastic chair. So, chair is a noun here, the word small and plastic, these 2 words modifies about the noun. So, those are known to be as adjectives. Now, I am going to show you another thing. Are you ready? Yes. What is this? Yes, very good. This is a ball. And what is the color of it? This is pink color. So, pink is adjective and ball is a noun. What is this? Can you say what is this? Is a model of a knife. Here, it is a sharp knife. Sharp is adjective, knife is a noun, sharp knife. And we will see one more example. Are you ready? Yes. See here, what is this? Yes, this is a medal, is a gold medal. Here, medal is a noun and the material which it is made of is gold. So, gold is an adjective, gold medal. Before seeing the kinds of adjectives, shall we play a simple game now? Are you ready? Add suitable adjective before your name, but that adjective's first letter must be your name's first letter. Let me give an example. I am Vijay Kumar. My name is Vijay Kumar. I am adding an adjective valiant. So, valiant Vijay Kumar. So, here valiant is an adjective. My friend name is Kalaichelvi. She told that she is kind Kalaichelvi. So, here kind is adjective and Kalaichelvi is a noun. My another friend name is Das. He said he is daring Das. Do you know what is daring? Both valiant as well as daring, these two words that means very brave in nature. So, my friend Das told that he is daring Das. So, daring is adjective and Das is a noun. Now, it is your turn. Are you ready? So, you have to add a suitable adjective with your name. You just give a try, then we will proceed into today's topic. The kinds of adjective what we are going to deal now. There are many kinds of adjectives are there, but for our level, for 8th standard, it is given there are 5 kinds of adjectives. Let's see one by one. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjective, and one more thing, that is interrogative adjective. So, these are the 5 kinds of adjectives. Let's see one by one now. The first topic is adjectives of quality. What is meant by a quality? That means it shows the kind or quality of a person or a thing. We can say in a simple way that adjectives of quality answer the question of what kind. See this picture now. Here it is an elephant. The elephant is a big animal. Is it a small animal? No, it is a big animal. We know it very well. Here big is a word which describes, which modifies about that elephant, that is animal. So, automatically big is a adjectives of quality. One more example, look at this picture. Wow, it is a beautiful garden, is it? Is it nice or not? Exactly, it looks very, very beautiful. It is a beautiful garden. In this sentence, garden is a noun and beautiful is an adjective, because beautiful describes about garden. Of what kind of garden it is? Yes, it is a beautiful garden. So, these two comes under adjectives of quality. Shall we see some more examples for adjectives of quality? Yes, adjectives of quality which describes about these things, that is, it may be color. Colors you know very well. Which is your favorite color? My favorite color is red. What about you? Let me add some more colors as red, blue, orange, black, pink, yellow, brown. These are some of the examples under the category of color. The next thing is about shapes. Circle, sphere, oval, round, triangular, boxy and conical. These are some of the examples for shapes. Then let us see about size. Big, small, large, little, short, tall, tiny. These words describes about size of something. Then when we are talking about personality, we can say he is a good man, he is a bad boy. So, good, bad, great, honest, poor, handsome, miser. These are some of the examples for the words which describes, that is comes under personality. So, all these words are comes under adjectives of quality. Which adjective best describes a picture? Can we try?
Sharp, happy, green, ugly.
What is the answer? Shall we go with sharp? Let me click sharp.
Sharp.
Yes, it's the right answer.
Which adjective best describes the picture? The options are
red, quiet, soft, loud.
what is the answer? If we prick the balloon with a pin, what is the result? Is it quiet or loud? Yes. Shall we click loud? Yes is the right answer.
Which adjective best describes the picture?
See the image. Let's see what are the options.
Blue, wet, red, rude, pink.
Okay. Which can be the answer? You can see some droplets of water. So shall we go with wet?
Wet.
Which adjective best describes the picture?
We are seeing an aeroplane. Is it fast, glad, red or soft? It is not red, it is not glad and also it is not soft. So we can go with fast. Shall we check?
Fast.
Which adjective best describes the picture?
Brown, yellow, sharp, sad.
What is the answer? What is the color of a banana? Yes, it is yellow. Shall we click yellow now?
Yellow.
Which adjective best describes the picture?
Is it sad, red, wet or brown? Shall we check?
Red, sad, red, brown, wet.
And so the answer is,
Red.
shall we click this?
Now, let's go to the second one, adjectives of quantity. Are you ready now? Yes. Adjectives of quantity describes quantity of something. That something it may be or any things, whatever may be that. We can put it in simple form that adjectives of quantity answer the question, how much? Look at this picture, is a bowl of rice. So if I say, I ate some rice, here we can't count the rice as 1 rice, 2 rice, 3 rice, because we know very well rice is an uncountable noun. So before the uncountable noun, we should say, I ate some rice. So here the word some, which describes, modifies about the noun rice. So some is adjective here, rice is the noun. Let's see one more example. Are you ready? Yes. Look at this picture. A boy is walking with an umbrella and you can see it's a shower of rain. Yes, it was heavy rain yesterday. What kind of rain it is? It was heavy. So how much of rain yesterday? Here heavy is adjective and rain is a noun. Shall we see some more examples for adjectives of quantity? Let's see one by one now. Some, little, few, whole, all, no, any, most, full, abundant, sufficient, huge, many, enough, empty, a lot, much. These are some of the examples for adjectives of quantity. It describes about the quantity of a noun. Now the third type is adjectives of number. It shows how many persons or things are meant, or in what order a person or thing stands. We can say in another way that adjectives of number answer the question how many, that is an exact in number or it may be in order. See this picture, you know very well this is nothing but is just a calendar. Here there are 12 months in a year. Here months is known to be as a noun, and how many months are there? Do you know? Exactly right, there are 12 months are there in a year. How many days are there in a week? Can you answer this question? Yes, very good. There are 7 days in a week. Let's see one more example for this. Do you know him? Yes, he is Mariyappan. So he got first place in high jump recently in Paralympic Games. Hope you know that. So see the sentence now. Mariappan got first place in high jump. Here first place. So the order, what is the order of him in that particular event? So he got first place. He secured first. So first is considered as the adjectives of number. Now we must know the differences between adjectives of quantity and adjectives of number, because you may have some confusion about the differences. So let's finish this and then we'll go to the next kind. Okay, are you ready? Yes. First let's see about adjectives of quantity. It expresses approximate amount rather than the exact number. So it won't give the exact number, approximately, okay, this much, something like that we can say. Whereas in adjectives of number, it expresses exact number of nouns or their position or their place. So exact number will be shown in adjectives of number. Then we will see one more point. They are mostly used with uncountable nouns. Which one? Adjectives of quantity, because we are using much, more, lot like these words. So with the uncountable nouns we are using adjectives of quantity. Here with countable nouns we are using adjectives of number. We can say how many students are watching this program right now, how many students are there in my class, how many pens I am having in my bag, like that we can count in number. Those are known to be countable nouns. So for countable nouns we have to use adjectives of number. For uncountable we have to use adjectives of quantity. Now let's go to the next one, demonstrative adjective. We are going to demonstrate, we are going to point out something. So demonstrative adjectives point to which noun or pronoun you are speaking about. There are 4 words are there under the demonstrative adjective. The 4 words are this, that, these and those. We can say in a simple way that demonstrative adjective answers the question which. Look at this picture. Here the singular form as well as the plural form is given when the object is near to you. If it is singular you have to use this. If the same singular object, if it is just far away from you, you have to use that. This is my shirt because it is very near to me. If it is just far from me, I have to say that is a tree, that is a camera, like that I can say. Likewise, for plural, we are having 2 words, these and those. If the plural objects is just nearby to us, we have to use these. These are my pens, these are my books, like that we can say. Whereas, if it is far away from you, you have to use those. In demonstrative adjectives, if a singular object is near to you, we use the word this. If the singular object is far from you, you have to use that word that. If many objects are near to you, you have to use these. If many objects are far away from you, if you want to point out those, you have to use those. Look at this image. This pen is costlier than others. So I am pointing out that particularly the pen which you are seeing in the picture is costlier than others. So here pen is a noun, we are pointing out with the word this. So this is a demonstrative adjective. Next example, here in this picture Taj Mahal is not near to us. It is shown that it is somewhat at some distance. So we can say that building is Taj Mahal. Here building is a noun and that is a demonstrative adjective. And next one, here you are seeing the shirts are arranged neatly. Is it one shirt or many shirts? Come on, can you say? Yes, there are many shirts are so plural form. These shirts are ironed neatly. We can say like that. Here, these is a demonstrative adjective. And the last picture for this demonstrative adjective, this particular man is pointing out the men who are at distance by saying that those men are my employees. Those men are my employees. So, they are not near to him, they are just far away from him. So, he is pointing out as those. I believe that you are clear with this. Now, the last one is interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives pose a question. Actually, it asks a question. They need a pronoun or a noun by their side. Shall we see some example for this? Yes, these three words, which, what and whose, these three are known to be as interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are also called as interrogative determiners. See this image. Many subjects icons are given here as like maths, English, biology, chemistry, physics like that. And my question is, which subject is your favorite? Here subject is a noun. I am asking about which subject. So, which is an interrogative adjective referring here. One more example, let us see. What goal do you want to attain? So, being a student, you are having your goals. You may have some idea about what is your aim. This picture asks the question, which goal do you want to attain? One more question, whose answer is correct? Either yours or that person. We can say like that. So, whose answer? Answer is a noun, whose is an adjective, that is interrogative adjective. We can sum up now. Adjectives of quality answer the question of what kind. Adjectives of quantity answer the question how much. Adjectives of number answer the question how many. Demonstrative adjective answers the question which. And the last one, interrogative adjectives pose the question. Now, let us do some exercise. Okay. Find out the kinds of adjectives of the underlined word. A sentence will be shown on the screen. You just see the underlined word and try to say what kind of that adjective it belongs to. Are you ready? The first sentence, what color is your car? What color is your car? What is the underlined word? What? Can you give the answer? Yes, that is right. So, it is an interrogative adjective because the underlined word what poses a question. So, it is an interrogative adjective. Shall we go to the next question? Yes. Look at the screen now. Second question, he is an honest man. Here the underlined word is honest. Can you find out the kinds of adjective? Yes, the underlined word honest answers the question of what kind of man. So, it is adjectives of quality. Now, the third question, this book is my favorite. This book is my favorite. Here the underlined word is this. So, we know very well this, that, these and those, these four are demonstrative adjectives. So, obviously, we have no doubt in it, we can say that this, the particular word is demonstrative adjective. The fourth one, I have enough money. Here the word enough is underlined. It answers the question how much enough. So, it is adjectives of quantity. Question number 5, we gave him 5 medals. The underlined word is 5. Medal is a noun. We know it very well. So, how many medals? What is your answer? Yes, very good, 5 medals. So, here the word 5 refers to adjectives of number. You are right. Hope you did the best You gave the right answers. Very good. Let's do another exercise. Here, find out the odd man out. So, in one question, we will have 4 words. Among the 4, one is different from the others. We have to find which is that word. Okay, let's see. The first question, fat, 100, long, strict. Can you find out which one is different from the rest? Yes, 100, because the rest of the words fat, long, strict, these 3 words are adjectives of quality, but the particular word 100 is adjective of number. See the second question now, some, third, few and each. You can find out very easily the answer. Can you do it? Come on, give a try. Some, no, some is not the answer. Exactly, third, because third shows about adjectives of number. In which order? I got third rank, he got first prize, like that. The rest words are some, few and each. These 3 are adjectives of quantity. And now the third question, this, that, thick and these. So, we can find out very easily because we know this, that, these, one word is missing there, that is those. So, in the place of that, what we are having here? Thick. So, thick is adjectives of quality, the rest of the words are demonstrative adjectives. Now, let us sum up. We have learned the following things in this class.
Parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech are there in English. As you know very well, it starts with a noun and then pronoun. Third one, adjective. Fourth one, verb. Fifth one, adverb. And sixth one, preposition. And seventh, conjunction. And the last one is interjection. Adjectives is further classified into 5 kinds as adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives and interrogative adjectives. We have seen with many examples of 5 kinds of adjectives.
Initially, we recall the parts of speech. Then, we recall the noun and its kinds. And then, we have seen what is an adjective. Then, the kinds of adjectives with many examples. Hope you have learnt well about adjectives and its kinds in this class. Practice with many more examples by referring your textbooks. We will see degrees of comparison in our next class. Till then, take care of you and your health. See you all in the next class. Bye children. Bye.